Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool bar right here, and basically what this is a silicone waterproof pet feeding mat. So you basically put the bowls on top of this product right here, so that way the product is like anti-slip, which is pretty awesome. So when you guys first get the product, this is basically what it actually looks like. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like when we actually open it up. Alright, so we take off the wrapper and see that this is basically what the product looks like. So I do want to take off this part right here first. Alright, so when you guys open it up, this is basically what the product looks like if you can see. So you definitely feel the product here is a silicone material that is very flexible if you can see like this. If you can see, the one that we got right here is by the brand called Hoki. It's really cute how they have this design right here on the corner. So it definitely has a little paw right here. But when you guys see the product here, it just looks like a little tray that you can put your bowls or stuff on top right here. And like I mentioned for the product, it is waterproof. So if you guys put like a bowl of water on here and the dog spills it by accident, it's completely waterproof. And that way actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to clean up the mess, whether it's like water or the pet food or whatever. So for this product, they actually have it in a lot of different colors and a lot of different sizes. So depending if you guys want like a bigger size or a smaller size, or if you guys want a different color, you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But the color that we got right here is a sea form green. If you can see, it actually looks really nice. So let's put this out on the floor and test it out to see how it works, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have two of the bowls. Let me show you guys how to use the product right here. So you do want to set this up and put it right here like this. And basically put the bowls on top. And basically once you guys put the bowl on top, it definitely has that non-slip material or the silicone material, so that way the bowl won't move as easy. And even if the bowl does move, if it spills water on here, it is waterproof, so you don't have to worry about the water spilling out, which is pretty nice as well. So when we try to move the bowl right here, you can see that we barely can move it compared to when we put it on the floor right here. It's so easy to move it around. So if I just pour a little bit of the water out, you guys can see what happens. Let me bring the camera over. So you see the water is right there, so it stays there and doesn't go anywhere because it is silicone material and it is waterproof. Alright, so you see how well the product works? The bowl and everything doesn't move when they use it. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test. Our product definitely see it actually does work and actually quite well. Super easy to use. Literally all you need to do is put this onto the floor and then put your bowls on top. And if you guys look throughout the actual product on the side, it definitely is raised a little bit, so that way it actually prevents any water from leaking out of the actual tray as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys have a pet that makes a lot of mess. And if you guys don't want to clean up the mess all the time, then this is actually really worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.